morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching from. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how we pay for National Council of Higher Education through the URA website. So first and foremost, you go to your search engine, which is maybe, for example, Chrome, Mozilla, or Firefox, and you type in URA web portal. And after typing in, you have to search. So after searching, the URA homepage will display, which has various services. And for us, we shall select e-services just right there. So after selecting it, a page like this will display, and under e-services we have register for taxes, payments, and motor vehicle. For us, our interest is to make payments, so we shall select on payment registration just up there, the first one under payments. So when you select on it, we shall go where there is tax head, where we have NTR, tax type, and other NTR. So we shall select other NTR just right there. So after selecting, our next part will be to fill in the taxpayer details. So for taxpayers details, we shall begin with the name, taxpayer name. Type in all the names of the person who is making the payment, that is the student. Type in the two names or three. Then for the email ID, this email ID helps for those who are going to pay online. Say you have an account with the bank and you want to pay using e-banking, all the details will be sent to your email. And then after that, you will fill in your geographical location, that is from district to your village. So you just click in the drop down box and you select accordingly. Then after that, you have to put in your contact telephone number, and your mobile number. At times it is the same. Then after that, we shall come and we fill in the details of other NTR payments, whereby we are going to begin with the ministry stroke department stroke agency, which is there, and we shall have to select that in the drop down box, and we see we shall so when you click on it, they will bring the institution name automatically, because it is a setting, it is a default setting. So you will have to put in your institution name in that box right here, institution. So let's say this is Makerere University, so you have to type in. So after typing in Makerere University, don't mind about the amount. First, leave the amount. Come down here where there is fees calculation, where they ask for number of students. Number of students simply means the number of years you're paying for. Remember, this is an annual payment. You pay it once a year. So number of students means number of times. So if it is 1, you type in 1, and after typing in 1, the amount that is charged by one student will automatically reflect here, and the total amount will be multiplied by the number of times that someone is paying. So in this case, it is come to identification details. and you click in that drop down box just here. So they provide many for those ones who have